Both cameras utilize DJI's latest 3-axis gimbal technology, ensuring smooth, stable footage in any situation. Mavic 2 Pro commands a powerful 1-inch sensor, offering you greater image quality with superior light and color performance. Co-engineered with Hasselblad, the new camera houses an adjustable aperture lens for more control over your lighting environment. Capture stunning aerial photos at 20 megapixels with extreme detail. Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit D-Log-M color profile that yields higher dynamic range for more flexibility in the grading room. Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspective. With a 2x optical zoom lens, it offers greater safety, efficiency, and more creative opportunities. The 48mm focal length compresses your perspective, enhancing the parallax effect for a classic cinematic look. You're able to punch in quickly for a tighter shot, even from 100 meters away, keeping a safe distance from your subject. Don't be fooled by its size. Mavic 2's zoom lens is powerful, constantly adjusting to your commands for seamless zoom control and autofocus tracking. This keeps your subject clear while you focus on framing. Mavic 2 Zoom gives you access to dolly zoom for an otherworldly warped perspective. Both editions record 4K video with an advanced H.265 compression, so your images retain even more detail. Speed things up in a dynamic aerial hyperlapse with the simple tap of a button. 4 different modes give you a variety of shots for any time-lapse situation. Mavic 2 also supports enhanced HDR photo, an improved technique that blends a sequence of photos for greater dynamic range and image clarity. It wouldn't be a Mavic if it couldn't go with you anywhere, anytime. We kept that same foldable design and tweaked a few things that make a world of difference. After countless hours of research and testing, Mavic 2's refined chassis and low-noise propellers make it DJI's most advanced aerodynamic aircraft to date. These subtle yet powerful improvements give you a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion when the situation requires. Mavic 2 extends your creative potential with up to 31 minutes of flight time and a max speed of 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode. The all-new OcuSync 2.0 provides a 1080p transmission signal up to 8 kilometers, so you can edit full HD footage directly from the cache on your mobile device. 2.4 to 5.8 GHz auto switching offers better performance in environments with busy signal interference. For the first time in a DJI drone, Mavic 2 boasts obstacle sensors on all sides of the aircraft. Its digital nervous system continually transmits data to a new, more powerful central processor. The aircraft analyzes every inch of its surroundings to move around obstacles without stopping, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. When you have a need for tracking at high speeds, stay fully immersed in the action with ActiveTrack 2.0. Aided by its vision systems, Mavic 2 maps a 3D view of the environment for greater accuracy and tracking up to 72 kilometers per hour. Trajectory prediction algorithms also help to maintain course when your subject is blocked by an obstruction. DJI goggles users can enjoy an enhanced experience with a clearer video feed and lower latency. When it comes to portability or quality, small details or the big picture, your vision or reality, Mavic 2 brings the best of both worlds. So you can explore the outer reaches of your imagination and create content that truly feels
The 4x5 adapter from PhotoDiox allows you to mount your modern, full-frame digital camera on a large format 4x5 film camera with a graph lock back and capture beautiful, high-resolution stitched images. In this video, we'll show you how to mount the adapter on your graph lock back 4x5 camera and how to shoot stitched images with it. Mounting the adapter on your 4x5 camera is easy. Start by composing your shot on your 4x5 camera's ground glass. Then remove the ground glass from the camera's graph lock back. Slide the PhotoDiox 4x5 adapter into the Graph-Lock back, with the printed text right side up, and lock it into place. Then just mount your camera on the back of the adapter. There are 3 kinds of stitched images you can capture with the PhotoDiox 4x5 adapter: 60x60mm, 68x43mm, and 88x43mm. To capture a 60x60mm stitched image, you'll need to have your camera in vertical portrait orientation. For this demonstration, we'll keep the camera off the adapter so you can see the dots better. Line up the white dot on the top of the sliding plate with the first white dot at the top of the adapter's body and take a picture. Slide to the second white dot and take a picture. Then slide to the third white dot and take a picture. To capture the bottom row of photos, remove the entire Graph-Lock back holder from the 4x5 camera. Flip it over and lock it back into place. Then line up the white dots at the bottom and take 3 more shots. To capture a 68x43 or 88x43mm stitched image, you'll need to have your camera in horizontal landscape orientation. Just loosen the set screw on the adapter, rotate your camera to landscape orientation, and tighten the screw to lock it into place. To capture a 68x43mm stitched image, line up the white dot on the sliding plate with the first red dot on the adapter's body and take a picture. Then slide to the second red dot and take a picture. Remove the entire Graph-Lock back from the 4x5 camera, flip it over and lock it back into place. Then follow the red dots and take 2 more shots. To capture an 88x43mm stitched image, make sure your camera is in landscape orientation. Follow the 3 white dots at the bottom of the adapter and take 3 shots. Then flip the Graph-Lock back and repeat. To set up a new shot, remove the adapter, remount the ground glass, and compose your next image. Stitching your 4x5 image is easy. I'll be using Photoshop for this part, but there are lots of other great stitching programs out there as well. Click the File drop-down menu and open Automate. Select Photo Merge. Click Browse, find and select your 6 or 4 photos, and click OK. Now I have the Blend Images Together box checked, which is essential for good stitching. You may need to use vignette removal or geometric distortion correction in certain situations. Now click OK and let Photoshop work its magic. In just a couple seconds, you'll have a beautiful, super high-resolution image directly from your 4x5 camera and lens. After a bit of cropping and color correction, here's the final result. PhotoDiox 4x5 adapters are available for Canon EOS, Nikon, Pentax K, and Sony A-mount. We also offer models for digital medium format cameras and backs, including Hasselblad XCD, Fujifilm GFX, Hasselblad H digital backs, Hasselblad V film backs, and Mamiya 645 film and digital backs. With the 4x5 adapter from PhotoDiox, you can breathe new life into your 4x5 film camera.